Today we're comparing head-to-head Jobber versus Housecall Pro for HVAC businesses. We're in summer 2025, so you're dealing with emergency calls and maintenance requests. So you need software that can dispatch technicians quickly, track vehicles and customer equipment, as well as offer polished service packages. The goal is to streamline your operations while still giving the client the best possible experience. So we're going to cover a bunch of features today to help you decide which software best suits your HVAC business. So let's dive in. So I first want to mention off the bat that both of these pieces of software can be tailored to your HVAC business, but I will say from the outset that Housecall Pro does offer a lot more specific features for HVAC businesses in terms of integrations. We'll cover those today. So we'll talk about those first. So in terms of pricing, a lot of businesses prefer to use flat rate pricing. It's just easier to send a one-time fixed cost to the client. And so you can integrate with Profit Rhino and get pre-built, updated price book templates for your HVAC business. So that's huge. So if you integrate with Profit Rhino, it is an add-on feature in Housecall Pro, and there's different packages you can choose from. But if you're kind of just starting up, or you're maybe in the 3 to 10 employee range and you want to get something quick to be able to price your services, then I highly recommend integrating with Profit Rhino. Another feature that Housecall Pro has that Jobber does not is Blueon. So with Blueon, you can scan HVAC units. You can get unit age and warranty status, OEM manuals and wiring diagrams, part specifications, as well as compatible replacement parts. So that's huge from a mechanical standpoint to be able to, in the field, get access to all this information, and it's plugged into AI as well. So you can get AI support that has been trained on over 150,000 real-world tech support calls. So again, just having that in your pocket is a huge bonus. Also to mention, the Blueon integration is in a closed beta, meaning that it's only available to super pros in the mechanical trades. Another feature that Housecall Pro has specifically for the HVAC trade is the OnCall Air integration. So this really helps with quoting and just creating kind of a unified way to make sales to the client. You can get real-time pricing from various vendors and just kind of really builds out your quoting process. It's also great for collaborating with various team members so that you're all on the same page and multiple team members can access it if you have kind of a large operation. Another integration that Housecall Pro has is this MeasureQuick integration. So with MeasureQuick, you can connect to smart tools and get live diagnostic data from various equipment in a customer's home, and then you can have the system analyze that data to compare it against healthy parameters a system should be within. So on the mobile app, you'll get on the job screen, once you integrate with it, you'll see this little field down here so that you can start taking these measurements in the field. And then on the desktop, you can generate reports. So this is really handy to really get into the nitty-gritty details and provide a better service for clients. It also just is kind of like a safeguard for preventing issues that a technician might have missed. And then also the integration will give you suggested fixes. So it's really kind of a one-stop shop for troubleshooting and diagnosing various issues with mechanical components. All right, the last integration with Housecall Pro I want to touch on today is the job inbox integration with American Standard. So from a lead perspective, you can connect with American Standard and get customers or leads looking for specific services right to your job inbox. And that is, if we go to more, we go to inbox, and this can all be managed from the mobile app as well. But under all comms, you'd see the connection here, the channel, so that you can manage leads from American Standard as well. Now, obviously, you need to get in touch with American Standard to be able to receive leads from them in the first place and make sure that you're eligible. But once you establish that, you can start getting those leads to your inbox. Another great thing about this integration and just really capturing those leads is that once a lead comes into your inbox, an automated text message will be sent out to that potential customer. So you really kind of gain an advantage over other businesses that really aren't as on top of getting back quickly to leads. Also, another automated text message will be sent out to your office staff and anyone that has those admin permissions, letting them know of the new potential customer so that they can respond quickly. If you're interested in any one of these pieces of software, if you've already kind of thought that one over the other would serve your business best, check the link in the description. I have a 14-day free trial for either one. If you use my link, it helps me, gives me a little bit of commission, and helps the channel. Now, both have good features for presenting options to clients. First, we'll take a look at Jobber. If we go up and create a new quote, this is what I just did here. This is kind of what we're presented with. Now, you can add images and enter various options so that customers can see, kind of get a visual feel for the product and service. You can add some additional details here. So at the top, we can enter an introduction, basically. So you can enter your project summary, your scope of work, and then go line by line, adding options. So again, we can add photo of the service, and this really helps customers get a feel for it and understand what it is that you're trying to sell to them, especially if they can identify what's in the picture. It just helps them kind of get an idea on what you're selling. And this connects to your price book in Jobber as well, so you can quickly populate various services. You can also add attachments for additional documentation, and you can also, which is nice too, you can kind of set up reviews for the quote so that customers can get trust building social proof from your business and the services that you provide. You can create a client message, and then you can have some internal notes as well, which is always important. So when you're building this out, you can also change what the customer sees. Now with Jobber, if you want to enhance your sales proposals and quotes, you can integrate with ResponsiBid. You can also integrate this with Housecall Pro as well, but if you want to present multiple packages and proposals, you can integrate with ResponsiBid. Also, when creating a quote in Jobber, you can also build templates. So that way, that really just streamlines your quoting process. All right, and then moving over to Housecall Pro. So Housecall Pro really has a lot of built-in features to make the sale and increase your win rate for jobs. You can present multiple options to customers in the field using the sales proposal tool. So, if you work on an iPad or even just your mobile phone, you can present multiple options, and you can add images and descriptions like a good, better, best, or a bronze, silver, or gold plan, so that customers can kind of get a feel for which option might suit their needs best. And I think a lot of companies find this feature specifically useful so that they can walk through different options with clients in the field and make an upsell. Housecall Pro also allows you to create estimate templates. So if we go over to our price book, estimate templates, again, you can build templates, and Housecall Pro just has some more features to be able to kind of organize and categorize your templates, and you can add photos, and really kind of helps you streamline your quoting process. So for HVAC businesses, a lot of their revenue comes from recurring jobs and maintenance plans. So both tools allow you to create recurring jobs and have multiple appointments for a job. With Jobber, I really like the ability to kind of quickly choose a category for the job, either a one-off job or a recurring job. So like immediately when you create a new job, you're kind of presented with that. So it's just very streamlined and easy to set up a recurring job. So if you choose a recurring job in Jobber, you can set up invoicing to be done per visit. You can build billable hours for each visit and get paid when you completed the job for that day. Or you can set up as a fixed price, say $300 a month, and you can choose when the invoice is sent. And then also, which is nice, you can toggle this on if a client has a payment method set up, then their card will be automatically charged. So that's just a great way to streamline the process of these recurring jobs and then getting paid. Jobber does have a progress invoicing feature currently in the Jobber Labs, which is like kind of their testing ground for new features. But this allows you to break a job into multiple invoices so you can get paid incrementally as the job is going on and different stages of work are completed. So you'll have to, again, set that up through Jobber Labs. But if you're interested in that, you can start doing that if you have kind of complex installations or multi-day projects where you need to invoice incrementally. And Housecall Pro also allows you to set up recurring jobs by creating a new job and clicking on the job card in the schedule. This can also be done in the mobile app, but you go down here and you can set it to recur based on these settings, and even you can customize it as well. And for Housecall Pro, jobs that take multiple visits, are called appointments, and you can set those up on the mobile app and desktop. And in Jobber, they're called visits. Housecall Pro also offers progress invoicing, and you have to set this up by going to this gear icon, going down to invoices, and turning progressive invoicing on. So then from there, if you create a new job, you click this invoice and go up here to this pencil icon, and then you can adjust details and send it off. Now, you can also edit past invoice details, like if you forgot to include something, you can edit those as well. And then on mobile, if you click the invoice icon, you can get a list of all of the invoices already created for a job. So that's handy for your technicians to see, and then to just kind of have a record in the field of all the invoices that have been sent. So comparing both the progressive invoicing features for Housecall Pro and Jobber, Jobber is really made to streamline processes, just like hit the ground running from day one, and it's very easy and user-friendly. I find that Housecall Pro can be a little complicated sometimes in navigating various aspects of it. Both features work really great from a user experience standpoint. I like this field down here within the quote to be able to set up your invoicing settings quickly. So you kind of set the invoicing parameters early on from the start during your quoting process, versus Housecall Pro where you have to create a job first and then set the payment schedule. Now, another critical feature for HVAC businesses is to have service plans, which you can do in Housecall Pro. So if you go to the App Store and click Service Plans, Housecall Pro has pre-built templates specifically for HVAC service plans. So you can just click this, set up 2 visits per year, the cost per month, any discounts, and you can edit this. So there's a lot of equipment to maintain in customers' homes from a mechanical standpoint. So the ability to have these service plans to set up recurring jobs, recurring maintenance plans throughout the year just really adds a lot of revenue for your business and builds those client relationships as well. With Jobber, you can adapt recurring jobs as service plans. So that's kind of how you can build those in Jobber. Now, I did mention the Blueon integration for Housecall Pro to be able to capture info for various mechanical units. Within Jobber, you can set up custom checklists so that your technicians in the field can record serial numbers and various parts information, and you can make those checklists mandatory so that your techs in the field have to complete them before closing out a job, which ensures that data across all of your jobs is captured. So the last thing I want to cover today is GPS tracking and vehicle monitoring across both pieces of software. Now, both have integrations with Force Fleet Tracking. Force Fleet Tracking, that integration provides you with some hardware that you can install in your vehicles to get real-time updates on diagnostics, like battery health, fuel. It plugs into the OBD2 port on your vehicle to be able to access that diagnostic data. You can also get dual-facing dash cams just to monitor your techs in the field and other drivers on the road in case there are any accidents while in the field. Get real-time GPS tracking to see where your vehicles are so that you can monitor them throughout the day. You can send a live map view to customers when technicians click on the way, so customers can see the real-time location of the technicians on the way to their house. Also, I really like Jobber's route optimization feature on the desktop version. If you have jobs that don't have a fixed start time, they're scheduled for any time throughout the day, you can set up route optimization with little arrows showing you where to go, what the best route is to take to go from job to job to job. So I think managing your techs in the field from a visual standpoint, that can be really handy. So just to wrap up, I hope that gave you a good idea for your HVAC business on which tool would suit your needs best. I would say, kind of as a broad overview, Housecall Pro is definitely built for advanced functionality over time. So if you're looking to scale, if you're looking to incorporate other tools with your software that you can kind of grow with, scale up, Housecall Pro might be a better fit. If you're kind of a smaller outfit for now and you want to just kind of hit the ground running with tools that are streamlined and very straightforward and like just an easy user experience, I would go with Jobber to start. I just want to mention that most of these integrations that I covered today are on select plans. So make sure that for either software that you're on the right plan that allows you access to those integrations. I wanted to mention again, if you're interested in signing up for either one of these pieces of software, I have 2 links down in the description so you can get a 14-day free trial to test the software out for yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.